Hello everyone, I am DJ Rosel and I'm here to explain to you how I can support my community in whatever way I can. As an NSTP student, I can support my community by actively participating in community service, projects, organizing awareness campaigns, and collaborating with local organizations to address specific needs. Additionally, I can support also my community by volunteering my time, participating in local events, and donating to local charities. Also, I can share my knowledge and skills through workshop or volunteer opportunities, contributing to the overall well-being and development of my community. Being an active NSTP participant empowers me to make a positive impact and foster a sense of unity within my community.